Welcome to English in a Minute. When we walk, the ground is below our feet.
To cover a lot of ground.
So why are Jonathan and Anna covering the ground? Let's listen.
How was the Bee Lovers Association meeting?
It was great. We talked about how to feed bees in the winter, which flowers to plant in the spring, how to protect bees from other animals, and other things.
You sure covered a lot of ground in one meeting.
We did. Just like a bee.
Yes, Anna. Just like a bee.
English speakers use the expression to cover a lot of ground in two ways. One means to travel a great distance. We heard the other definition in our example, to deal with or talk about a large amount of information. And that's English in a Minute.